Hi, to unlock SIM PIN on iPhone, first thing you're gonna need is find and open settings on the phone. So from here, choose section cellular, and then if you scroll a bit down, you should see those info about your SIM card. So from the list, simply choose SIM PIN, and now if you can see that switch is green, then SIM card PIN code is activated. To unlock and disable SIM card PIN code, you need to toggle off the switch by tapping it and enter its PIN code. Be aware that you got only 3 attempts. So if you don't know your SIM card's default PIN code, then make sure you know the name of your network provider, and I'm going to show you a life hack. So open Google Chrome or Safari. Here, enter name of your network provider with this type of information. So enter name of your network provider with default SIM PIN. And by clicking it, you should see default options for PIN code, just depending on your network provider. And now simply paste the same PIN code right here in this tab. Then by clicking done, you will unlock your SIM card. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.